Hello everyone, today I'm introducing the Luraco Magna Air and installing of the Magna Air. This is a product of Luraco that massage using air bubbles. Okay, to install, be sure you have a flat surface and have a hole of 3.5 inches. After you have the hole, all you have to do is run the wire into the hole and line up your Magna Air straight and flat with the surface. Make sure your air tube is upright and straight. Use a screwdriver to tighten up the 4 screws. Make sure the 4 screws are tight. We are not recommend power tools to tighten the 4 screws up. It may damage. After it's secured and tight, not moving, to use the liner, all you have to do is straighten it out and line it around the tub. Any liner on the market right now is compatible with our Magna Air. Make sure your liner is straight and dry when you install. Create a hole for the air tube to go through. This is the Sani Air dispenser. It has 2 pieces of tape to install on the liner. All you have to do is remove the tape on the 2 sides. Line up your Sani Air dispenser in the middle and press down. Last thing is connect your air tube. Turn on your water and you can enjoy the massage.